Before I get into it, I'm sorry that I've been gone so long. There was some family things that were happening and we had to take care of. So I had to take a little bit of time for myself, but I am back. I'm going to be pre-filming a lot today, so you will probably see the same exact settings, same exact clothes, same exact everything for a couple videos, because I'm still dealing with something, so I don't know when the next time I'm going to film is going to be, if that makes sense. But I'm going to leave it at that, so I hope you guys enjoy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my 2019 goals, and it's kind of late because it is March, but better late than never. I already said that being late on videos is my brand, so might as well be consistent. Obviously right now I don't have a lot. I probably will add some more later, but I probably won't make a video on those, but this is what I have so far. Number one is reach 100 subscribers. So right now I think I'm at 57, and it's a huge goal for me to reach 100. It's just taking me a bit because I keep taking time off, and that is my fault. I'm going to try to be more consistent, which is why I am pre-filming a lot of videos today. Number two is publish another book. I'm currently writing 2 books. I'm writing a 3rd book for my collection I already have out, and then I'm also writing a book in like the Shel Silverstein style. So one of those, I want to get one of those out this year, maybe, because they're both going to take a bit. I also want to clean out my clothes this year, like go through all of them, like hardcore go through, because it's hard for me to go through clothes because I have like sentimental attachments to things. So that's going to be difficult, but hopefully I'm going to film that today, but that's already planned, so that should be crossed out pretty quickly. Here we have clean out garage. Now, when we moved into the condo, a bunch of the stuff in the garage wasn't ours, it was my great-grandma's, and it's taking up a bunch of space in the garage, and it's pretty much all trash. So we need to just take all that out so we have way more room. And that's pretty much it on that one. We've been trying to clean it out for a while now, but we don't know when bulk trash is for our neighborhood this year, so that's been difficult, so we have to take it to a dump. Exercise. I really want to start exercising way more, like at-home exercises, so it can help me lose weight, so there's that one. Eat healthier. I've been doing pretty well with that actually, and I'm really proud of myself. Lose weight. I feel like I have lost a little bit of weight just because my stomach isn't as big. It's a little smaller than it was, so fingers crossed on that one. Create more art. I want to not just add things to my portfolios, I want to actually do more canvas art and paintings and things like that. I have been slacking on it just a little bit, that's why. Start a makeup line. This I decided that I was going to do at the end of 2018. And I haven't started it yet just because we've been dealing with other things financially and all of that, so that really hasn't been on the top priorities. But now that we're getting calmed down with all the financial things, I can probably start purchasing the items to start doing that, so look out for that. Save more money. Been doing that. Finish renovations on the house is the next one. We do still have quite a bit to go. We have to finish painting the house. We have to rip out the carpet and we're going to put flooring in, replace doorknobs, replace faucets. It's a bit, but we'll get there. And the last one is get better with filming and uploading. So that one I'm going to have to try really hard on. I already messed that up in the first 3 months because I think I don't know how many times I posted, but I know it wasn't as much as I would like or it should have been. So I'm going to try to film and upload way more. And I have like little calendar sheets for myself where I write down the days I'm going to film and what I'm going to film. So hopefully that will be better. So that was it for this short video. Those are my 2019 goals so far. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell if you ever want to be notified when I post a video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.